The topic for the today's video is type conversions in Pandas. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification icon to never miss out on our videos. Let's start with the topic which says type conversions in Pandas. So first let's import Pandas library as PD. Then I have defined a data frame df with name, age, shopping and price as the column names. Then we have a data frame which says name, age, shopping, price, and we see this weird thing like age has float values in it. Why will age be in float? So let's convert it into integer. So let's see how we can do that. Now if we see df.dtypes, we have age as float, but if we want to convert it into integer, we have a function called as .as_type. Now here we say grab the column df.age and pass in the function .as_type and convert it into integer. Now we have our age column converted into integer, as you can see over here. Now if you want to find out the average price or average shopping done by all these are customers like Omkar, Om, Anu, John, Sri and Mansi, then we can perform mean or dot mean function on the price column. But as we can see over here, the price column is object type, and also we have $sign over it over here, so we cannot use dot mean. So for that we have to remove the $sign and then we have to convert that 1549 into float and then perform mean on it, so that we can have the mean of the shopping price or the shop items like here. Now we can run the function dfprice.str.replace. So we will replace the string value, the str value, which is dollar, to a blank space. And if we perform mean on it, we cannot, because it is not a float values. Now here if we remove the $sign, it is still a string value. So we have to perform as type and convert it into float and then use the mean, and then we have the mean, which is $137.66. Now how we can change data types while reading the CSV file. Now we have seen how we can change the data types of any column after we have read the file and how we can do that. But let's see how we can read the file and as well as change the data type in it. Now here I have read my testcourse.csv and then I have converted the pretest into int. It was a float earlier. Now we will have it in integer. Like here you can see pretest is integer and posttest is float. Pretest was float earlier, but now we have converted it into int. Now if you want the n student column as integer, because the students will be in integer values, of course, no student will be 21.5 or 21.6, so no, that makes no sense. So let's convert it into integer and we have our n student column converted into integer. Then let's see if there is something in our if one particular value is in our column or not. So for that we use df.shopping. So df.shopping, we have the column, then str says that it is a string, and then see if it contains pen value in it, or if it has a pen integer or a pen value into our column. So it says it is true for 0 and false for everything else, because we had pen into our first row. As you can see, we have pen in the first row and we don't have in another rows. Now when we perform df1.gender and str, if it contains female, then return true, otherwise false. Then if it contains female, it's true, and if it's male, it's false. Now if we try to use as type is equal to end, Then we have the trues converted into 1 and false converted into zeros. Now let's see. Here we have 1 as true and zeros as false converted. So that's it from the video. Hope you like the video, and please like, subscribe and share. And if you have any doubts, please put it down in the comment section and we'll get back to those. Thank you.